It's time for 240110, and this is my 10th video, and in a week, I'm looking forward to keeping it going. So let's see here. This one, we're going to start on the top plane. You can kind of see that there's some geometry in different levels, so I think we'll definitely take advantage of sketch regions for that one. And then on the back, I see kind of this angled section. I want to try playing with the draft instead of including that into the extrude. So we're in grams, and here we go. Let's make a sketch on the top plane. And we're going to try to get a lot of the stuff that's in that top view. All right, let's go with the center rectangle just to get it symmetric about the front plane. So we have an overall height of 85. And let's do some arcs. I think I'll add these rounds outside of the extrude. We'll leave those for now. I'm going to add, let's keep going. Get a dimension of the overall. That's that 135. That'll help. And we'll dimension this shape. All right, and let's see. So at the center of this arc is the counterbore and this other shape. And even though I don't need to trim it out when I'm using sketch regions, I think it'll be easier to select if I kind of can tell the difference between them. So the inside hole is 15, and the outside hole of the counterbore is 30. And we have a radius of 26. Okay, 27, 135, 85. We got all the dimensions in the top view, so call that sketch good. Control D. All right, so let's start with this. Yeah, let's start with this geometry. Let's make this go 12. And then let's take this one and extrude that 65. And let's take this geometry, and that goes up 12 plus 9. And the counterbore, we're going to extrude. All right, so it doesn't say, it says it's down 12, but we go up 12 and then up 9, and then we come down 12, so it's got to be 9. All right, so there's that geometry. So let's play with a draft to get this 15-degree angle. So we'll add a draft, and the surface we're drafting is the back, and the draft hinge is the bottom. Okay, and we'll tilt it 15 degrees. And there we go. Okay, let's make an extrude here. Let's extrude on this plane. There we go. Circle, rectangle. Now, even though I'm not doing a sketch region here, I'm still a big fan of the circle rectangle option. Let's undo that and try it again. Not sure why it's grabbing that piece down there. There we go. So we have overall depth down of 20, and the radius is 15. And lip, remove, and it is to next or through all, and I know I don't need that for speed modeling, but just can't take the design intent out of me. So we'll put the hole on this side using the drag handles. So this distance is 55 divided by 2, and we'll drag the other drag handle up to the top, and the distance down is 10. Center hole is 5. We'll go into drilled, and we'll add a counterbore and give the counterbore 10 with a depth of 5. Looks right. Okay, and we'll mirror that hole over. And let's see, let's turn off the planes. Oh, I don't have the rounds. Good, good, good. So let's see, can we get that with intent edge or not? Looks like it. Intent edge is a great option when you're trying to select multiple pieces. Just right click and see if it'll give you various round corner edges that are similar. All right, that looks great. So let's try 243. Okay, so it doesn't look quite great enough. I don't see any other rounds that we're missing. Let's take a look at the front. Okay, height at 21. $25, 135, 77, 26. Those all look right. What's my overall height? 65, 15 degrees. Let's try the sketch again. Is my 135 wrong? My 135 is wrong. Okay, let's edit definition. And yep, this number needs to be 135. Hopefully everything updates. Let's see it from here. We're still in feature mode. That's good. Oh, nope, still don't have it right. So let's delete that and add a new one, going from here to here. There we go. That looks better. All right. So even with the mistype of the sketch, under 8 minutes, not too bad. So that time we took a look at using the draft tool, did a counterbored hole with the hole tool and a linear placement. Definitely took advantage of the sketch regions, but there we go. That's 10. All right, take care.